Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, folks. Michael Zuber, one rental at a time. And do me a favor, stop me if you have heard this before. The global elite want to keep you poor. There are lots of versions of this, but basically the idea is there is some super elite collection of individuals. Maybe it's 100, maybe it's 1,000. Whatever it is, they are the elite. They are pulling on the strings. And all of us, myself included, don't have free will, can't make our own decisions, and we are just floating through the night. That annoys me to no end. When I think about this message that somebody else is pulling the strings and we are just all left to suffer the consequences, it doesn't make me feel good. It doesn't allow me to appreciate the sacrifices and the hard choices that some of us have made to be financially free. Hi, Sonny. I see you. Okay, here we go. Sorry, folks. This little guy wanted to come up and he wanted to make sure I wasn't getting too upset. This is a topic that upsets me. So again, I do not believe there's some super collective of individuals out there kind of masquerading as the almighty. In fact, I don't think the global elite care about you, care about me at all. In fact, I would go as far to say the global elite don't think about you and me. And that should be empowering. Now let's have a couple of subtle conversations. Again, I do not think the global elite cares about you or cares about me specifically. That should be empowering. The fact that they don't care about you or me means that we have choices, we have free will. We can, if we want, decide to have a better life, a better future. It's out there if you want it. Number two, the global elite don't have enough time to think about you and me. They are out thinking about making money, often how their money makes more money. They are thinking about indestructible wealth. And yes, they are thinking about family and legacy and all of those things. And I would be a fool not to think that they are out partying and having a good time. I mean, heck, you're the global elite. You might as well enjoy the party while it lasts. Number three, it is fair to say that the global elite need employees and they need consumers. But they don't need you as an employee or you as a consumer. I am not confused. We live in a society full of consumption. I am not confused that 64% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck. But you don't have to be one of them. You can choose to live different. You can choose to not be like the other 64%. Again, remember, the global elite doesn't care about you. There are plenty of other people who will live paycheck to paycheck, stay in the rat race, and they know it. The human condition, to keeping up with the Joneses, the I need it, or even worse, I deserve it phenomenon, they don't have to think about you or me. There's enough idiots out there that will consume. They're good. But again, the fact that they don't care about you or me means we can make different choices. If you want to earn financial freedom, the global elite don't care. They don't care. If you want to sacrifice, live below your means, get out of the rat race, make work optional in 10 years, they don't care. They don't care. They don't care. They don't care. In fact, the global elite, if you ever met one, would probably congratulate you, probably ask why it took so long, probably ask why your friends and family are stupid with money. The global elite does not care about you, and that's a great thing. You have the power. You can make choices. Number 5, one more time. The global elite doesn't care about you. They don't. If you want to read about somebody who recognized this and got out of the rat race, there's a link below to this book, One Rental at a Time. I was like a lot of you, working full time, didn't know what I was doing until I was 30 years old. Then we started to sacrifice, started to live below our means, started to save, have that discretionary income. We went through the last real estate crash. We tell you all about that story. We also were trying to buy when no lenders were out there because there's a lending cycle and not only a real estate cycle. Once you read this book, again, link below, do me a favor, take a selfie, tell me what you think, leave an Amazon review. And then when you are ready to do the work, I got a book for you. This is the book that I wrote for all of you. 15 Conversations with Real Estate Millionaires. This book is 15 different stories. That's what makes this book different. 15 different stories. Again, link below. The hardest thing about getting out of the rat race, and the global elite know this, is the first 3 to 5 years suck. Think about starting a business. All of us have seen Jeff Bezos in his dorm room or wherever it was when Amazon was just born. Maybe it's Zuckerberg in his dorm, or it's Dell, Michael Dell, or wherever it is. The global elite do not care about you. That should give you power. That means you have choice. You choose every single day. Are you going to consume? Are you going to save? Are you going to invest? Are you going to spend? You have the power. The global elite know that most of you can't do it, won't do it, don't think about it. We're addicted to that endorphin rush. We have been trained to spend. Break that habit. Let me know what you think of this below. Again, one rental at a time is our story. Yes, we got out at the top. We sold houses before they crashed. This book is 15 amazing stories of others. So again, check us out. Link below. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.